Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to set up H2C on Google Cloud. We'll cover the fundamental concepts of H2C and its role within Google's infrastructure. You'll learn how Google Cloud services, like Cloud Run, handle HTTP/2 connections, often terminating TLS at the edge. This ensures secure and efficient communication to your backend applications without complex manual configurations. Setting up HTTP/2 with Cloud Run is straightforward because the platform largely manages it for you. When deploying your service, Cloud Run automatically configures the necessary infrastructure to accept HTTP/2 requests. Your application simply needs to be capable of handling HTTP/2, and Cloud Run will manage the TLS termination at the load balancer, forwarding cleartext HTTP/2 or H2C to your container instance. To ensure your application is ready for H2C, it must be built to support the HTTP/2 protocol. Many modern web frameworks and servers, such as GoNet/HTTP or Node.js with HTTP2, offer this capability. When deploying to Cloud Run, your container will receive H2C traffic from the platform's proxy. Verify your application server is configured to listen for HTTP/2 connections on the designated port, typically port 8080. After deployment, verifying H2C communication is crucial. You can use tools like curl with the HTTP2 prior knowledge flag to directly test your service if it's exposed without TLS. For Cloud Run, since TLS is terminated at the edge, you'll primarily confirm that your application receives HTTP/2 requests. Reviewing Cloud Run logs and monitoring request headers will confirm that your service is indeed communicating over HTTP/2, ensuring optimal performance.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.